Hello, how are you?
Yeah, good.
Okay, can you tell us your names?
Okay.
My name is Riko Tsujimura from Japan.
Yeah. You love Burundi?
Yes, I love Burundi.
Why?
I like Burundi because I like Burundi. Very kind, friendly. Good.
I like Burundi coffee and people and crocodile. Three. I love.
Nothing else.
This place is good.
The place where you play the international competition.
Yeah,
Oh, it's good.
good.
And,
Many people and DJ. Sounds good. Oh,
You like the music?
Yeah, I like.
Which word can you speak in Kirundi?
Hey.
Uh-huh. What does it mean?
ありがとう。村高生。なんだっけ。
Welcome and welcome.
Yes, yes, yes.
Kaz.
Cousin.
Ah, good. Can you say hello to Japanese?
こんにちは。ジャパニーズ。ハロー、こんにちは。
And to Burundi?
村高生。
ありがとうね。
Burundi is
Mahoro.
Mahoro.
Eh.
Wow.
Mahoro.
It means peace.
Mahoro.
Mahoro.
Nice. Sounds good. Mahoro.
Thank you.
Thank you. Mahoro.
ありがとう。
あ、村高生。
ありがとう。
どういたしまして。
Makoze.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.